This tool is going to change the way we think and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity.ea and it's far better than ChatGPT and it's way better than Gemini. So hello everyone and welcome back in today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's just get into it. So the first step that you have to do is just open a web browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So you have just to sign up by writing your email address and your password and you get started. So this is the homepage as you can see. So Perplexity offers a various things like for example you can just ask anything you want here. For example, who is the best player in the world? For example here, and you will click over here and you'll find your answer. As you can see, we have here sources first. Also, we have here search images, videos, generate image, and we have here answer. We have also here related, like what makes Rodri stand out from other middle fielders, and we have other things in the same subject that you have that you asked. So if you come back here, we have also focus here. We have your writing, academic, video, math, social. So then we have here attach also. Attach something here. Then we have here also other things. So on Perplexity, you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services to a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable, tailored insights and charging for personalized consultation. So we have here the first one, it's Upwork. So to earn money on Perplexity, use Upwork. You have just to dive into upwork.com, then you click over sign up and you write your personal information. So this is here Upwork. So how you can earn money on Upwork? So to make money on Upwork, all I have to do is just promote your Upwork consultant services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice, and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. So this is how it works with Upworks. And then we have here LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, you have just to showcase your consultant expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Then use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. So we have other options to earn money with Perplexity. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche, offer these resources, draw Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for a fee, attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So we have here two websites. I will show you how. So we have the first one. It's here Udemy. So to earn money on Perplexity by selling and creating educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven reviews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have other one, it's Amazon. To earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then we have other way, it's the third way. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionality, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So I will show you how. So the first website we have here, App Store. To earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools on apps on the App Store, create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs, promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential dollars from interested users. So this is how it works with App Store. And let's move into the next one we have here. It's Product Hunt. So about this one, you have just to develop and offer tools or apps on Product Hunt. You have just also to launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits, promote your products, and launch your own publicly to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So this is how you can. There's three ways to earn money on Perplexity. So I will give you two examples for each one. And as you can see, and this is how it works with Perplexity. So we have just to get started with it, and it's very helpful. Also, if we have here about pricing, so let's click over pricing, but we have first to get out here. As you can see here, we have Perplexity Pro. We have here it's free, start for free, no credit card needed. We have here free forever, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity, AI model optimized for speed and quality, and you have here create a profile to personalize your answers. And we have here other options like here home, discover also. We have here the history of Lehman Brothers, teach and science, finance, art and culture, sports also. And then we have here library. And then we have here learn more and other things. So you can just get started and start earning money with Perplexity by doing what you love, like teaching or sales courses or other things. So this is it how it works with Perplexity.ea. Also we have here Pro, Enterprise, Playground, Block. You have here Encyclopedia and Cars, and here you select your language, like we have here English, French, Standard, Japanese, Korean, Simplified, Chinese, Spanish, and we have here Hindi also. Then we have other information here, like cars here. We have here various information. You can just click over it and know more information about Perplexity and how it works with it. You have Encyclopedia here, Block, Playground, Enterprise, and Pro. And this is how it works with Perplexity. You can just get started with it by clicking over sign up, and you write your email address and your code, and you get started and you make money with Perplexity. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.